Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, I'm finishing up my spring deep cleaning, but first let's shop for some home essentials. In this video, I'll be doing the deep cleaning in places where you normally don't clean and showing you all my Amazon finds that I love for home and beauty. So stay tuned for that, and happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. It's supposed to be what hell is like. There's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The wonders line is sabotage. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. It's floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this headline. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The wonders on is sabotage. It's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
One is trying to down me, so we'll just leave it. It's probably not done.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life.
Are you serious?
There's a point to losing love, repeating pain.
That's the only way you're gonna get your collagen to melt.
I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise.
friends around during the daycare. What is your favorite?
So anytime she gets a release, I'll bring her.
Yes.
Yeah. Hallelujah.
From Amazon, right? I had ordered 2 things, and I may put it up in a different clip. But these are a pair of earrings that I had ordered. Can y'all see them now? So these are 2 sets. So this is the second set. This is the stud here, but they lock, and then the back of it is a little, they're ones that twist. They have the twist lock on it, but then the back of it has a stud on it. You see that as well? So it's so cute, but it's a, let's see if y'all can see the screw. Can y'all see that screw? See, it screws to lock it in your ear. And I was able to get the 1 pair on I have. I like them, they're cute. That's the earring. Let's put it on something. Right there. And then the back has, like I said, it has a stud to lock it, because it screws lock it locks in place. It has a screw on it, and then on this side is the actual stud, which is really pretty, which I'm gonna put in my ears right now.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. It's mystique, but hell is life. There's got to be more. If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain,
She didn't even wrap well. It's one bowl. Okay. That's the one she wrapped like that, and there we go. Another one of those. They needed this bowl as well. Can you see that? It's like a two. It's like a two. It's a two header. Cute, right? Super cute. I got some linings. They needed those. And stuff for my son. And I got 2 linings. So here I just got 2 shower curtains for the bathrooms. And then I bought these, I found these 2 bowls, which I think is so cute. And then this, it's like an irregular type of molding, which is so nice, right? Which is so nice. So for like cereal, whatever. And then for the boys' bathroom, I got a black floor mat and then a black garbage because it's boys, who cares, okay? So I'm gonna line his garbage with bags. Dollar Tree, they're scented, and you get 40 in a pack. And I learned this from retail. They keep the roll inside the garbage so that you don't have to, let me show you. They keep the roll of the garbage inside the trash so you don't have to like go look for bags. And the next one, once you tear it off, once you're done, you can just, it's there to use.